It all starts with the planting of plantain trees. Workers clean off the roots of offspring from mature plantain trees and prepare these roots for planting. Over time, these roots develop into mature plantain trees, a process that takes approximately 9 months. Once mature, the plantains are ready for harvest. During the harvesting stage, workers pick the ripe plantains, which are then carefully wrapped in plastic. This protective layer shields the fruit from insects and diseases during transportation. The plantains are then transported to the processing facility. To prepare the fruit for frying, a worker places the plantains into boiling water for about a minute. This step not only changes the fruit's color, but also significantly reduces the amount of sticky sap it releases, making it easier to handle and peel. Due to the varying lengths and widths of plantains, mechanical peeling is not feasible. Consequently, skilled workers at the Costa Rican plant manually cut the plantains, processing over 50,000 pounds of plantains by hand every day. The sliced plantains then go through a cutting machine. The machine efficiently cuts the plantains into even slices, which fall into a deep fry oven below. A rotating grill and conveyor system in the oven ensure that the slices cook uniformly. Natural palm oil is used for frying, enhancing the flavor and giving the chips their characteristic crispiness. As they travel through the 30-foot-long fryer, the slices undergo a transformation. Following the frying process, the chips are transferred into a tumbler. This tumbler is where seasonings or flavors, such as salt, are added to the chips, providing variety and taste. The tumbler evenly coats the chips, enhancing their flavor profile. The process begins by harvesting mature banana plants. These plants are typically discarded after bearing fruit, but at the banana fiber unit, they find a new purpose. The plant's pseudostems, which are rich in fibers, are carefully extracted, ensuring no part goes to waste. The extracted pseudostems are then subjected to a series of steps to turn them into paper pulp. First, they are stripped of their outer layers and soaked to soften the fibers. After thorough washing and cleaning, the fibers are boiled to remove impurities. This eco-friendly and chemical-free process is both environmentally sustainable and cost-effective. The cleaned banana fibers are then mixed with water and beaten into a pulp, which is subsequently pressed and dried to create sheets of banana paper. This paper is known for its unique texture and strength, making it ideal for various applications such as packaging, stationery, and artisanal crafts. Once these seeds touch the warm soil of Mexico, the hard work of their skilled labor force begins. The journey from planting to harvesting and packaging is their life's purpose. It's the collective effort of both men and women that makes it possible to cultivate the finest products. Coleman has established its own organic plant nurseries to ensure the origin and proper handling of organic cultivation. They take pride in producing sweet, delicious, and healthy bananas that have become favorites for many. The company's mission is clear: to nourish the lives of families around the world, and this commitment has led them to certify themselves for organic banana production. Their dedication to quality is evident in the specialized care and state-of-the-art facilities they provide. Each banana is grown with a touch of affection, resulting in the most flavorful and highest quality bananas. The organic bananas are cultivated under stringent quality standards to guarantee healthy and delicious fruits. Every stage of production receives special care to ensure that each Coleman banana lives up to the high expectations of their customers. At the core of Grupo Bronco's success are their extensive banana plantations, covering more than 1,500 hectares. all highly technified to ensure optimal growth. These vast plantations yield around 4 million boxes of bananas each year. The journey of a Bronco banana begins early in the growth cycle. To guarantee the utmost quality, bananas are protected with bags from the initial stages of development through to the harvest. At the critical point of harvest, skilled workers manually select and cut bunches of bananas. These harvested bananas are then carefully transported from the cutting point to the packaging center. The packaging process at Grupo Bronco is a sophisticated operation. State-of-the-art methods for selection, packaging, and packing are employed to ensure that the bananas maintain their maximum green life, assuring consumers of freshness and superior quality. Grupo Bronco's dedication to excellence has translated into significant growth, with an impressive 20% annual increase. This expansion has allowed them to establish their own distribution and marketing centers, enabling them to reach international markets, including the USA, Europe, and North Africa. The commitment to quality extends beyond the borders of Mexico. Grupo Bronco adheres to international phytosanitary and hygiene standards, earning certifications such as the European Global Gap certification and the Cultural Track, promoted by the Euro Retail Group. These certifications are recognized by European supermarket chains and attest to the company's commitment to upholding global standards for good agricultural practices and food safety. Sustainability is a key tenet of Grupo Bronco's operations. They prioritize the health, safety, and well-being of their workers and maintain a strong focus on environmental responsibility. This commitment is evident in their own polyethylene recycling plant, where they process bags used in agriculture, actively working to reduce plastic pollution in the region. The journey of banana chips begins with the selection of raw, green bananas. The first step involves carefully peeling these bananas. After peeling, the bananas are washed to remove any dirt, residual peels, or contaminants. This step is crucial for ensuring the chip's hygiene and quality. Once cleaned, the bananas are sliced into thin, uniform rounds. This can be achieved through the use of specialized slicers that ensure consistent thickness. The slices should be even to promote uniform frying and crispiness. Some traditional methods still employ manual slicing. The final and crucial step in making banana chips is frying. The sliced banana rounds are immersed in hot oil, typically vegetable oil, which has been preheated to a specific temperature. The chips are fried until they turn golden brown and become crispy. The temperature, frying duration, and oil quality are all critical factors that impact the flavor and texture of the chips. As the chips fry, they absorb the oil and release moisture, leading to their characteristic crunchiness. Artisans who create hand-knotted macrame pieces are skilled craftspeople who transform humble materials into intricate works of art. Macrame, a textile art form, involves the meticulous tying and knotting of cords to create beautiful, often decorative and functional items. This ancient craft has experienced a resurgence in recent years as people seek the charm of handmade, eco-friendly decor. Each macrame piece is a labor of love, with artisans carefully selecting cords and designing patterns that reflect their creativity and expertise. They may work with natural fibers like cotton, jute, or hemp, as well as synthetic materials for a contemporary twist. The process is painstaking, requiring precision and patience, as every knot must be tied with care to achieve the desired pattern and structure.